In today's video, we are going to talk about how to make the most out of your masters in USA. My name is Puneet Bansal. Let's get started. Firstly, have a course plan ready before you start the program. Think about how would you build the degree, from the basic courses to the advanced courses. Don't go out in the first semester and take the most advanced course possible. Take help from your seniors and peers, but don't get influenced by them. It's your degree, it's your decision to make. There's a lot of time between you getting an admit and you finally joining the university, so use that time wisely. The next point is networking with seniors. You generally arrive 1 or 2 weeks before the start of your program. Use this time to meet the seniors in the program. They are the ones who are literally your teachers. They will be the ones who will be your teaching assistants and research assistants, and they've been there 1 year before you, so they can impart some serious wisdom. The next thing is to start attending career fairs and workshops from the first semester itself. Prepare for a 1-minute elevator pitch about yourself. The more career fairs and workshops you attend, the more you will be able to polish this elevator pitch. One major point I would like to mention here is to proactively start applying for internships. Don't let you not having any prior work experience or internship experience shy you away from even applying to the positions. Most companies start their internship application process as early as September for the summer of next year. I have met a lot of students who are scared to even apply to the positions, thinking, why will the company hire them? Start out in the process. You will have to apply to hundreds of companies before you even get a call for one of them, and you might not even get a call, but at least you will be way ahead of the curve. Start, be patient, create your resume, and keep on applying. Now, this is my personal opinion and different people may have different views on it, but according to me, don't get swayed away by looking at everyone who's doing an on-campus job. You are here to study and learn. Make the most use of your time. The amount that you will earn by doing an on-campus job will be very insignificant as compared to you grabbing an internship or a job offer. So use this time wisely. If I were you, I would rather use this time to, upskill myself, apply for internship positions, or start cold emailing professors for TA, RAs, and graders for the next semester. This brings me to the next point. Start cold emailing your professors for TA, RAs, and grader positions. Most of these positions are filled out a month in advance of the semester even starting. Don't think that you will go to the university, talk to the professor, and get the grader or TA or RA positions for that same semester itself. I got my call for the first teaching assistant position 6 months later. I had emailed the professor, so I can vouch that cold emailing works. Another important point I would like to mention is to stay away from honor code violations. Do your projects and assignments on your own. If any help is needed, please reach out to your professors and your TAs during their office hours, but please don't involve yourself in copying someone else's work. Being a TA myself, I know it's very easy to find out who copied whose work, and it's taken very seriously. The next suggestion I would say is to be friendly and cordial with your peers. Understand that everyone is far away from their home. Try to help your peers in any way you can. It goes a long way. Last but not the least is time management. Try to balance your work and your personal life. During time off, try to explore the nearby places or plan a trip home. Moral of the story is take that much needed break and rest. And lastly, stay healthy. Use the campus health services if needed. So that's all for today's video. If you like my content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do check out my other videos on embedded systems interview preparation. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.